Welcome to Studemia's expert tutorial on ethical hacking certifications. Today, we delve into the diverse world of cybersecurity training, comparing top programs like EC Council's C, E, H, Offensive Security, and Global Information Assurance Certification, known as GIAC and CompTIA. We will highlight their unique aspects and analyze the overlaps, offering insights only Studemia's expertise can provide. Let us begin our exploration. All right, as you can see, I am on the EC Council website. Now let us go to the Train and Certified option, and as you can see in the drop-down menu, it has a lot of certifications. Today, we're going to take a look only at ethical hacking, which is Certified Ethical Hacking, also known as CEH. Additionally, on my right side is Certified Penetration Testing Professional. What is that? And what is the difference between ethical hacking and Certified Penetration Testing Professional? If you have already watched my previous video, you probably know that if you want to take the EC Council Certified Penetration Testing course, you have to first complete the Certified Ethical Hacking course, which is a combination of theoretical exercises and practical tasks. Certified Penetration Testing is all about 100% hands-on training. This is the main difference. As you can see on the EC Council website, in the drop-down, it has a lot of different certifications based on security. Now, let us move to the syllabus of Certified Ethical Hacker, which is CEH. If you click here and scroll down, as you can see where it says Program Information, then click on Course Outline. Once you click on the course outline, as you can see on my screen, it covers modules from 01 to 20. That means modules 1 to 20 are covered by the EC Council certification exam. In this tutorial, we're going to learn all of these modules throughout this series, and after that, you can compare and contrast with other certifications. Now, let us move to another big player in the penetration testing area, which is called Offensive Security. As you can see on my screen, the Offensive Security website, which is offsec.com, is their website name. Once you come here, just put your mouse on the Courses and Certification option, and here you'll see the first step called Penetration Testing. This is their entry-level penetration testing certification. Anything you see there where it says Penetration Testing Prerequisite. If you want to get their full-blown penetration testing certification, you have to complete the Pen Testing Prerequisite, Pen 100. Click on the full menu, and it will break it down for you. As you can see on my screen, under Explore Our Info Courses and Certification, just click on Penetration Testing, and you'll find their certification numbers, which are PIN 200, PIN 210, PIN 300. This is all about penetration testing. If you scroll down, they have Web Application Security Penetration Testing coming up. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see the Security Operation. Just like EC Council has a lot of certifications, and Global Information Assurance Certification, in short GIAC, and Offensive Security have a similar structure. Now we have one more player in similar things. The penetration testing is called Global Information Assurance Certification, in short GIAC. If you come to their website, as you can see, they have a variety of operation certifications, and they do have penetration testing certification as well. They are more professional and enterprise-oriented in their certification process. Then we are going to take a look at another player in the penetration testing, which is CompTIA certification. If you're on the CompTIA certification page, and if you click on Training, and then the Certification tab, as you can see, there is Penetration Testing Plus. Click on it, and then if you scroll down, over here, there is a comparison chart. So CompTIA has a Pen Test Plus certification, which is compared with EC Council Certified Ethical Hacker, Global Information Assurance Certification, in short GIAC Penetration Tester, and Offensive Security Certified Professional, which is OSCP. As you can see on my screen, it has a brief comparison chart, what it covers, and what their focus area is. So this is all about the overlapping information from Certified Ethical Hacker, Offensive Security, Global Information Assurance Certification, in short GIAC, and also CompTIA. They kind of overlap with the information, so if you know one topic from CompTIA or CEH course outline, you should be able to cover other certifications as well. We will focus mostly on certified ethical hacking, and then you can translate or transfer knowledge to all the other certifications. At the end of the day, all are the same. 95% of them have overlapping syllabus with different purposes. I'll give you an example. All are like cars at the end of the day. Think about a car. It drives, right? That is the functionality. But if you've seen that in the car industry, there is an SUV, there is a truck, there is a midsize car, and there is a sedan car also. So, at the end of the day, they are all cars, but different car models have different purposes. That is why different models, same thing as you can see if you need to compare with CompTIA and all this. Thank you for watching, and we will take into the next video. First is EC Council Module Number 1 from Theor Syllabus. Thank you.